Available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
Alings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Alings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Alings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at alingschinese.com.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donnelly, Ashby & Wynn Law Firm.
Donnelly, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donnelly, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie, Houston's best restaurant for traditional Indian cuisine. Tandoori specials, poultry, vegetarian items, lamb, seafood, salads, desserts, and much, much more.
Naren's Bombay Brasserie is now open for dine-in with distancing measures for everyone to stay safe. Lunch buffet hours Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dinner hours 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Delivery and to-go options still available. Call Naren's Bombay Brasserie at 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like Naren's Bombay Brasserie on Facebook. What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
The Indian Consulate General and Houston's leading organizations invite you to a virtual global celebration of International Day of Yoga, led by none other than Yoga Rishi Baba Ramdev Live. View basic asanas and techniques with yoga studios around the world. An exhilarating awakening awaits you on Sunday, June 21st, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. International Day of Yoga, live on Facebook.com/India in Houston or India House. Details at yogadayofTexas.org. Namaste Radio. Powered by E2 Power.
नमस्ते नमस्ते वेलकम टू द लास्ट आवर ऑफ टुडेज शो. मैं हूं वंशिका. मेरे साथ हैं आप सबके प्यारे से एंड वर्ल्ड फेमस डीजे ढोली दीप.
Hello.
और अब it's that amazing hour that we are looking forward to for doing lot of मस्ती. and good chit chat with one of our very favorite person and जो हमें हमेशा सुनती हैं, हमेशा हमारे सारे jokes पे all the quizzes पे she'll participate. So we are very 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 happy to have her here. I am talking about Ruby from Classy Diva Salon and Spa. Classy Diva Salon and Spa is located in Katy at 937 South Mason Road. For appointments, you can call Ruby at 856-693-8970. They are celebrating their 2-year anniversary. So do not miss out on this and stay tuned, because this entire hour we are going to be talking to Ruby and everything about Classy Diva Salon and Spa and her. So welcome Ruby, welcome to Namaste Radio.
Hello everyone.
Woohoo! We are so excited to have you here actually.
Thank you.
एंड थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आप फेसबुक लाइव में देख सकते हैं, हमें मिली हैं बहुत सारी चॉकलेट्स. संदीप तुम्हारी चॉकलेट्स कहीं दिखा दो. थैंक यू. कोविड ने ऑलरेडी वेट पुट ऑन करवा दिया था, तो अब लगता है मेरा और वेट पुट ऑन हो ही जाएगा.
Once you guys
I don't mind.
remember, I was supposed to bring in biryani. So I thought this is
Oh my god. This is okay. But I don't mind biryani also. नहीं, लेकिन थैंक यू यार. थैंक यू. वाओ, संदीप ने तो बहुत ही डिटेल लुक दिखाया कैमरे में.
Thank you for that.
जी हाँ.
Oh, welcome.
So Ruby, again, I mean, all jokes apart, firstly, thank you so much for always being there for Namaste Radio and supporting us, believing in us, trusting us. And we are so happy that आज आप finally मौका लगा, ये quarantine सब खत्म हुआ और आप स्टूडियो पे आए हो.
Thank you so much for having me. It's really a pleasure, and I'm glad I'm here. And I think, yes, all jokes apart, I'm not used to being on the radio.
Absolutely.
All jokes apart, I want to thank you guys too for the equal same support. You know, I'm really glad we're part of each other's adventures, I guess. And you know what? I'm glad we're here.
Thank you. और संदीप, आपको रूबी को कुछ कहना है, क्योंकि रूबी आपकी, मैंने सुना है आपके गाने की सब बहुत बड़ी फैन है.
I'm a big fan. I'm sitting with DJ D.
No, thank you. No, it's just like she said. Thank you so much. Yeah, I do see the great support that you have from commenting on all the jokes, all the songs, the actors and actresses, giving us your opinions. Of course, one of them is good looking. You definitely mentioned it too. And reminding us too that hey, they were in this film also. But no, it's great to have you finally here. And I was telling you, I was like, we need to have Ruby here because it's,
Thank you.
And thank you for giving me the pleasure, one of the only guys that can come into class.
That's true.
Yeah.
Make me feel special. Thank you.
एंड मैं सबको पहले बताऊं दैट द नेक्स्ट आवर, ये जो 1 hour है अभी आगे, इसमें सारे गाने जो हैं वो रूबी के पसंद के हैं. तो हर गाने से पहले हम रूबी से ज़रूर पूछेंगे कि क्या वो रीज़न है. बट सबसे पहले रूबी, प्लीज़ टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी टिल क्लासी दिवा सैलून एंड स्पा.
Oh boy. Let's see, where should we start from? That journey definitely starts with talking about myself. Okay. So I was born in India but raised in Chicago. I'm a Chicago girl.
क्या बात
Went
है.
to school and everything, college in Chicago. I graduated in 2009 from Benedictine University in double major, health science and psychology, with the mindset of going in medical field. And I was in medical field. I was a lab technician for 8+ years. I did phlebotomy, lab and everything. And after getting married, moved to New Jersey. Was in New Jersey for 3 years. And when my mother-in-law had stroke, my husband and I had a pretty rude awakening about how important it is to be close to family.
That's true.
So we decided to move, and that's what brought us to Houston. And when I moved, that's when I had my first daughter, Simra. She's 3 now. And trying to stay home, spend more time with her, I decided to step back from medical field. Because being in the medical field, the long hours and everything, I was not going to be able to give her the time that she deserved, give the time my home deserved. So I decided to venture out. And my husband and I, we both actually changed our fields. He went in IT, and I went in cosmetology and beauty business. So I decided to be my own business, my own boss,
Wonderful.
Yes.
nothing better than being your own boss.
Being my own boss.
Yes, and that is the beauty of business. There are challenges, of course, which we'll talk about that.
Of course.
But जो एक satisfaction आता है business करके, and I mean, from my knowledge of knowing you and Classy, I know it's a successful business, and congrats to you on that. So जो satisfaction एक आता है, it's like it's your baby and it's your home away from your home or your babies at home,
Yes.
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So let's move towards the first song selection. Which one are we playing right now, Sandeep?
I believe it's Jagjit Singh, the ghazal.
Okay, so it is the वो कागज की कश्ती वो बारिश का पानी. तो क्या reason क्या है इस गाने का?
That is, oh my God, deep roots. It takes me back to childhood. My childhood was so special, growing up with my cousins and everybody in India and in Chicago, so it means a lot. So every time I listen to that song, it just instantly puts a smile on my face and puts me in that relaxed mode, takes me back. So I absolutely love that song. It's something I would listen to every time I feel a little stressed or zoned out. That's my song.
That's your song.
Wonderful, let's hear it.
ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी.
ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी.
वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी.
Back here on Namaste Radio, 10:50 a.m. in conversation with Ruby of Classy Diva Salon and Spa, right here on this last hour of Namaste Radio on this Sunday, June 14th. This segment right here is brought to you by Donley Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. That's 832-646-8448. Donley Ashby and Wynn Law Firm, 832-646-8448.
And before we get back to talking to Ruby, finally, Charu Savera ho chuka hai. Charu is here. Hi,
Yeah,
Charu. Where have you been today?
Where have you been?
So yeah, she said she loves this song. So thank you, Charu, for listening.
I also have somebody on my watch party saying two nice songs.
Nice
Yeah.
one, that's what I
Good.
see.
Yeah. So Ruby, I have a question for you also.
Yes.
Now you did mention you do have kids as well,
Yes.
and you're a young entrepreneur that's
Yes.
been doing this. First of all, congrats.
Thank you.
So how do you manage like that with with having kids, with the time, and what advice can you give to others that are young entrepreneurs also that are
It's definitely not easy, and it takes a big support system for sure. And like I mentioned earlier, how Classy Diva came to live was because or for my daughters to spend more time with them, right? And when we got that salon was in such a bad condition. So we have spent weeks, day and night, cleaning and updating and everything. So when I say the salon is close to my heart because I've put my sweat in it. I've painted those walls with my own hands. So that's why it's very special. And it takes a big support system. And my husband, my in-laws, and my partner at that time, they were really great. And it gets hard because I'm trying to be a daughter-in-law at home. I'm trying to be a mother at home. I'm trying to be a wife at home. And I don't think that just because you cannot give that role your 100%, you shouldn't be able to do a business. It's how you manage, how you keep a balance. And it's important to be organized as possible, okay, and set goals for yourself. So my advice for any young entrepreneurs would be have a positive mindset, set goal, write down what you want to do, and stay consistent. You can do it. If you set your mind to it, you can do it. And keeping a tally and writing down stuff, that's just half the battle, right? And all those young, aspiring young ladies that can relate to me, never underestimate yourself. You're strong and powerful, and it's okay to make mistakes. You know, but as long as you continue to learn from those mistakes and be the best version of yourself.
That's right.
Wow, that's beautiful advice there. That's true. And one thing, every time I've spoken with Ruby, you know, like the same question, ki kaise manage kar lete ho ye wo. One thing she's always told me, and I believe in that completely. Your spouse's support.
Yes.
Even if they're not doing anything for you, but just their support, they're
It's
saying
letting
that
you do it.
Yeah,
You're not doing much, but letting you do it.
absolutely. Like just saying that I'm there, being there, just giving that push is very important. And I'm not only talking about a husband, but I'm also talking about a support from the wife for the husband. So that is really important.
It takes two to get that
Tango.
car going. Yes, it takes two to tango, you know, get that car going. So in terms of me, my husband is a big support, especially with my kids. My in-laws are my big support at home watching them. So believe me, it takes a whole town. It takes a really big support system for, it's hard to say, but for a woman to succeed in a business and for you to do what you want to do. It's not hard. It's definitely doable.
Oh,
Just
absolutely.
have that positive mindset. You can do it.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Everything is in the mind. Your body's going to flow on what
Yes.
your mind is thinking,
Yes.
right? So if you wake up thinking that, no, I can, it's easy to give up, but it's, you know,
You
just
will
gotta
find what I was told. You will find 10 excuses or 10 reasons to not to do something, but hang on to that one that's gonna tell you to do it.
Yeah.
So hang on to that one reason.
Awesome.
Wow.
Great advice.
On that note, let's get into another song that Ruby has selected today, which is तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है. अब मुझे तो ये गाना बहुत पसंद है, even though it was a very cheesy 90s song, which I think now, but at that time it was a Divya Bharti song.
Yes. If you know me, you know Divya Bharti. It was my favorite actress. I absolutely loved her, and that's one of my favorite movies, and I absolutely love that song.
And you remember those 90s के song, you know, like typical step होता था हर गाने का, that up bouncing right
Yes.
side.
So if, I would say, like, my husband, if you're listening, I'm like, yeah, that's a song you need to, sing to me all the time. That's my song. That's it.
If you're listening, Mr. सुनिए और आज जैसी ये घर आए जरूर गाइए.
Well, you said it, there's a good support system. So
Yes. Razali, are you listening? Yes.
Let's, so Divya, which movie was it from?
Rang.
Rang, yeah.
There you go. Right off the bat, I can tell you.
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है. तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है. कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
दिल हो के जुदा तुझसे रह पाता नहीं है, कोई भी मेरे दिल को समझाता नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है।
So many memories this song brought back, and I think इसमें Divya Bharti was the third person, right? I think it was Aisha
Second person. There were two actors, right? Aisha
yeah.
Zulka was one, and Divya Bharti
So
was the second.
Triangle mein she was like the
Oh, yeah, the third
outside one, right? So he's in love with Aisha Julka, right?
No, he's in love with her, Divya Bharti.
Oh,
She's in love with him, but Aisha Julka is in love with the guy. So Aisha Julka was the third.
I thought,
one.
oh, okay.
Yes.
So it has been that long that I've seen the movie. But
Can
yeah,
you tell I know that by heart? It's my favorite movie. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
so but yeah, thank you. Ye Gana, sometimes we are trying to play different songs, but when we have a guest, someone like you, we get that different song variety, and it brings back a lot of memories. So big question, Ruby, and it's something like I was telling Deep even in the last segment that we try to avoid this thing, but then we end up talking about it is because this is what is happening in the world right now. So during or before COVID, everything was so nice and going so smoothly, and then COVID-19 happened. So how has it affected your business, and what was the biggest things like hurdles, and then some of the successes also, if you want to mention to us that something that came good out of it. I don't know, but something that came good out of it.
Oh, that COVID has definitely, of course, not me, it has affected a lot of businesses. And one of the biggest thing was it changed all business in terms of how they function now, right? But I personally, before COVID, I was already battling a battle. I was going through a battle about back and forth with my business. And like I mentioned before, there were some people who didn't think I would make it into this salon. So my initial year, I was almost at the urge of closing it. So it was all the whole negativity. But I told myself I can do it. If I did not listen to my inner voice, my salon would have been closed by now. So right when I was trying to bring my salon up, this is when this COVID happened. So it was kind of like, how they say like Sone pe Suhaga, like the cherry on top. So
Right.
I did not let that stop me. Of course, the salon was closed for 5 weeks. I was devastated. I was very sad. But if I had let that get to me, I would have been in depression right now.
Right.
But
right.
no. I looked at it from a point of view, what can we do? Something else. So, of course, take it to social media. We we attacked our business from a different angle now. Okay. So it opened doors for us with new perspectives, pretty much. Right.
Wonderful.
So, new challenges as a business owner, and showed us how to adapt it. It shows us how adaptive we are. So, throw anything at us. Once your mindset is positive and you have made up your mind, you can change. You can adapt to any situation. So that's what COVID has done for us. And in terms of changes, sanitization has always been a part of salon business, right? So what we have done, just taken extra steps pretty much for that extra safety of ourselves, our employees, and our clients. That's about it.
Wonderful, because I personally visited your salon.
You
after,
saw that,
yeah,
yes.
and it was beautifully, all of that was beautifully done. And I say this beautifully is because for a person like me, I won't be able to think of something like that. लेकिन मेरे लिए वो इतना अच्छा लग रहा था that it looked nice. This also can be done the way you divided every chair, kept things away. So it was done nice. So
I give that credit totally to my girls, Nadia and Zubi. They are at the salon, are my backbones, and they have helped me and gave me that idea what we should do. So the dividers that we have placed is not to block the virus from you. No, it's for a mental note for us to skip that second chair and maintain that distance. So instead of 6, we're 12 feet apart.
sure.
So that.
And you did a lot of, and it helped a lot of ladies, I'm sure. You did a lot of stay-at-home live videos. I mean, one thing I've seen a change in you is that you go live more now, and it's nice, because it's like sometimes I may think, acha, mujhe aata hai makeup, but then when I see a live, and I may not even seek for help, but when I'm seeing a live video, and I see the way, okay, even choti si cheez like an eyeliner, the way you're applying, I'm like, oh, okay, I never knew about that.
But honestly, Vanshika, it hasn't been like that always. It took me so long to do my first live video, and as you know, I'm also a beauty influencer for a pharmacy company, right? So that requires you to be upfront with your clients on doing live videos, doing makeup videos. So because the whole idea is you do it, if you like it, that's how you can tell everybody else to like it, right?
Sure.
And I know I'm not pro at it, especially at doing makeup. I do not call myself a pro. I try my best. I can do my own makeup. I hear it from my niece. She just told me the other day, Didi, what's up with your bright looks lately? I'm like, okay, thanks. She does better rings than I do. So I'm learning. To me, it's a learning experience. And the first time I did it, it was like, okay, it wasn't that bad. I could do it. Now, I don't do it every day, but after a few days, all right, I need to get back on there now. I need to do it. So the whole idea takes back to my positive mindset thing. You got to stay consistent and have your mind made up.
Wonderful. It's great to hear positive, outlook over here. Positive. Being positive is the way.
Is the way.
Mm-hmm. And before we get into the next song, जहाँ पॉजिटिविटी की बात आती है, definitely we want to thank Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple for their positivity, and especially Pandit Pradeep Pandya ji. So the temple is located at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. You can call Pandit ji at 832-466-9868 and talk to him about positivity or any kind of puja that you want to do. So do not forget or follow Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple on Facebook. So Ruby, before we get into that song, what is the reason for this song, which is Koi Pyara Koi Masoom Nahi Hai from the movie Khudar?
Oh, Tumsa Koi Pyara.
Yeah, Tumsa Koi, sorry.
I guess that one was for Deep. I picked it.
Oh,
he knows
kya
I'm a
baat hai,
Govinda
Deep.
fan.
Oh, yes,
Not
yes.
for you, but he knows I'm a Govinda fan.
I felt
So
special,
I
but
needed
I was
to.
For a second, Deep was like, "Arey wah, मेरे आंखों में आंसू आ रहे हैं."
No. I needed to have a Govinda song on there. I am a fan of Govinda and Karishma movies. That's what we have grown up watching. With my mom. My mom is a great fan of Govinda too. So many movies, so many great songs, and this one again, it's a slow, mellow song, and I absolutely love Karishma Kapoor. Her innocence in this song, and it's a pretty good song. I love it.
Great, let's listen to it.
I think
then.
I'm all dropping hints from my husband right here.
तुमसा कोई प्यारा कोई मासूम नहीं है, क्या चीज हो तुम खुद तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है।
लाखों है मगर तुमसा यहाँ कौन हंसी है, तुम जान हो मेरी तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है।
तुमसा कोई प्यारा कोई मासूम नहीं है, क्या चीज हो तुम खुद तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है।
लाखों है मगर तुमसा यहाँ कौन हंसी है, तुम जान हो मेरी तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है। तुमसा कोई प्यारा कोई मासूम नहीं है, क्या चीज हो तुम खुद तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है।
Namaste Radio, powered by E2 Power.
Keep it locked. Tired of those law firms you can never reach? Try Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm.
Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm in Houston is dedicated to providing quality immigration advice and legal counsel to domestic and international companies and individuals. They will also help with deportations, citizenship and naturalization filings, also personal injuries and car accident. They are committed to their clients with prompt turnaround time. Over 30 years of immigration experience. Call attorney Ann Wynn today at 832-646-8448. Donley, Ashby and Wynn Law Firm. 832-646-8448.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy invites you to celebrate their 2-year anniversary with double the deals. Come and get a facial done and bring a friend along to get hers done for free.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, call or text 856-693-8970. That's 856-693-8970. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
जी वेलकम बैक टू नमस्ते रेडियो. हम बात कर रहे हैं रूबी के साथ. रूबी जो ओन करती हैं क्लासी दीवा सैलून एंड स्पा. सो रूबी कैसा लग रहा है ऑन एयर?
It doesn't feel like I'm on air. I'm just sitting here talking to you guys, so definitely not nervous. But I'll be honest, when I was walking in, I was very nervous. I'm like, oh, but I'm good. This is good.
Yeah, you didn't have those coffee shots.
No.
I was supposed to take some coffee shots this morning, but I forgot. लेकिन ऑन एयर आके एनर्जी अपने आप हाई हो जाती है. जैसे एनर्जी ऑन एयर आके हाई होती है, तो हमारी एनर्जी जो ऑन एयर या अदरवाइज हाई होती है वो है बिकॉज ऑफ E2 पावर.
I like that. Not you too, not me too.
It's E2. I know. So E2 power is your answers for all your issues with any kind of power issues. तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, आपको अपनी सर्विस चेंज करानी है, आपको रिड्यूस प्राइस चाहिए, तो डोंट वेट गाइस, जस्ट कॉल देम एट 832-390-2291 or visit their website at e2powerhub.com. फॉर आपके रेजिडेंशियल के लिए कुछ हो, आपके कमर्शियल के लिए कुछ हो, do not wait. e2powerhub.com.
That's right. That's e2powerhub.com. So, Ruby, we know that you love the music so much, and you know they love the film so much too. But what does Bollywood mean in your life?
Bollywood it's an outlet. It's a form of entertainment. It's something that keeps you connected. I feel like keeps you grounded when you need to get away from the reality. So watching movies and songs and everything, you can either relate to the movies or for us, it has always been family movies. And yes, we have watched Hum Saath Saath Hai like 100,000 times.
I have two, by the way.
Yes. So I have that.
Two, but not that much.
No. Hum Saath Saath Hai definitely on the go family movie. That or listening to music is just takes you, I don't know, makes you relaxing. And it's something you can enjoy, have fun. And I'm all about having fun. So put on some music, give me some music. I'll have fun. I'll dance. I have no problem. Or I'm not a shower singer, but I can sing too.
Oh, तो कुछ हो जाए?
नहीं. No. Thank you.
She's like, no. I'm a shower singer now.
No, but I mean, I'll sing along to songs, So anything that can come on. I'm not a pro at Bollywood knowledge, but I know Bollywood. I've watched it since I was a child. I've watched so many old movies. We used to watch a lot of old movies with my my grandfather. So I've known so many Dilip Kumar movies, Devanand movies. So I know a lot of songs from that era as well. That because I've grown up watching movies with him. We had a rack full of movies that we will just pick one from. So after him, it has been just my dad and his craze for the Dabangg movies. So whenever it's a weekend family movie, he'll be like, Dabangg lagao. Yeah, Wanted. Salman Khan. We're a fan of Salman Khan.
Which one?
The first Dabangg. The original first Dabangg.
Yeah, that was good.
Yes, the first Dabangg. And at that time, my niece Sanya was growing up. She was like, I think 3 or 4, and her favorite song was in that movie, Tere Mast Mast Dune. Now she cannot sing. She has a very not clear speaking Hindi or Urdu, so she would say Tere Mast Mast Dune. She loved it. Oh my god, we used to tease her so much. I loved it.
So you said because of all this Bollywood, इतना influence है आपके life में, तो we were talking about this and it was so funny. She said this to me that one of her father feels, right? Her father, or everybody says that, right? That she resembles an actress. And if you are watching us on Facebook Live, you will actually know whom we are talking about. And the next song is also actually from her movie. लेकिन संदीप पहले आप Facebook Live में वो दिखाओ तो पता चलेगा that हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. There you go.
We are talking about Leena Chandravarkar. Because I know her and I love her songs, I love her looks. I am not that old, people, but I just love her. She is my dad's favorite actress, and my dad was the one. And then after on my wedding day, a lot of people have made that comment that I resembled her a lot. So recently in December, what we did my husband's birthday in a Bollywood theme party.
Wow!
So I dressed up as Leena Chandravarkar and I made him dress up as Rajesh Khanna, and we took lots of pictures. So really old, but I think she's absolutely a perfect example of grace and beauty. Love her. She's so pretty.
Absolutely.
I may not be that close, but
trust me, you are way beautiful, and I love the eyes and the makeup that you have done in this picture. And yes, it resembles a lot like hers, but बहुत ही सुंदर picture है आपकी ये, बहुत ही सुंदर.
Thank you.
And so is that the reason why you like the next song, जाने क्यों लोग मोहब्बत किया करते हैं, from the movie महबूब की मेहंदी?
Yes, another one of my favorite song, and my father-in-law loves that movie, so a shout out to him.
Oh, for the daddies.
Yes, for the daddies. Yes,
always the daddies girls.
Yes.
इस मोहब्बत ने कितने दिल तोड़े, कितने घर फूले, जाने क्यों लोग मोहब्बत किया करते हैं, जाने क्यों लोग
In conversation right here on Namaste Radio, 10:50 a.m. with Ruby of Classy Diva Salon and Spa. Last 20 minutes of the show here. This final segment right here on Namaste Radio is brought to you by Aling's Chinese, located on Highway 90 and Highway 6. Call them today at 281-242-0432. Visit their website, alingschinese.com. They are open for dine-in with social distancing measures in full effect. Again, their number is 281-242-0432. Visit their website, alingschinese.com.
भूख लग रही है.
I know. Especially looking after that picture.
Yes. अब मेरे पास फिलहाल चॉइस है ये डिलीशियस चॉकलेट्स जो रूबी हमारे लिए लेकर आई हैं. तो हम वही जैसे ही ये शो खत्म होता है सबसे पहले हम उसी पे टूटेंगे.
Coconuts are my favorite.
Yeah, I'll try the coconut one actually. I will. So रूबी आपने काफ़ी कुछ आज शेयर किया हमारे साथ और I loved the positive approach that you shared with us about all of this situation. Anything else you would like to add or share with our viewers, our listeners today? Anything?
Other than the fact that thank you to everyone and stay strong. I'm wishing everyone a safe and healthy life, especially during this pandemic. This too shall pass. But don't let something like this stop you from what you want to do or become in life. And you have to look at, I feel like as an entrepreneur, that's something I have learned recently. You have to look at the bigger picture. You cannot get stuck with small hurdles on the way. You have to focus on the bigger picture. And it will take you where you want to be in life. And to me, I am doing this. I constantly remind myself, I'm doing this for my daughters. I want to be the best version of myself for them. So when they look at me, when they think of me, they will say, already, my mom thrived through this. She did it and she did not give up. So I want to be their idol. I guess I want to be their example for them.
That's really sweet. And what better example in life than your parents, right?
Yes.
So that's really sweet.
My mom is my example. So I want to be that. At least if I can be half of that to my daughters, I know I've succeeded.
Absolutely. I'm sure like my life, I really look up to my parents and what they have achieved. So Sandeep, what about you? I'm sure
my parents, of course, my grandmother being one of my biggest strengths. One who's not with me today, but she's always going to be my most favorite strength, and the strongest and most positive person I knew was my sister, my eldest sister. But
I will second that with my grandma, my nani, my mom's mom. She was definitely my inspiration. One of the main person I was really close to while I was growing up. So I've lost her when I was young, but yes, grandmas are special.
They are, definitely.
Beautiful. And from all of us here at Namaste, we want to congratulate you and for your 2-year anniversary.
Thank you.
Yay! I'm really happy for
Corona,
you.
but you ruined my anniversary.
But कोई नहीं, जब ये सब ठीक होगा, we'll definitely celebrate and do that dhamaka that you had planned.
Yes.
But tell us about it and share with us all that amazing double the deals जो आपकी चल रही हैं, so that everybody can quickly book all their appointments with you.
Well, just because we cannot have an official anniversary gala party, well, I'm not stopping from giving out those deals. So right now, everything is, because of our 2 years, is double the deals. So buy one service, get the second one free. So one of the best things is for facials. So come and get a facial done, bring a friend along. Either get hers done or get yours done. She pay, you pay, whichever. So buy one, get one free. With eyebrows, full face, threading, waxing, any service. You buy one, you get the second one free. So that's our double the deals BOGO for the grand opening. And another new thing we added was a 25% discount for all our essential workers.
Wow.
Yes. I know. And you know what? I agree. And I'm sorry I didn't do this sooner. I should have done this sooner. I appreciate all the essential workers of everything they have done during this pandemic for us. And I'm not talking about just medical workers. They are a big part, yes. But the military, the firefighters, the police, and the grocery workers. I feel like those are the biggest people, the main people in the grocery store, in those warehouses that are keeping things on the shelf and keeping us stocked, for us to be stocked at home and stay safe. So for all those you guys out there, for everyone that thank you so much. We at Classy Divas want to thank you and want to show our gratitude by offering you a 25% discount on any service.
Absolutely. आपको पता है रेडियो वाले भी essential workers हैं.
Of course, you need that entertainment when you're locked in the house.
Yeah.
So come on in.
Absolutely. And quickly again, tell us your number, how they can get an appointment with you.
Right now, because the hours at the salon are very fluctuating, right, due to the current situations, the hours we are set at right now are Tuesday to Friday, 2 to 7, and on weekend, 12 to 6. So now there isn't anybody at the salon all times. That's why I have given out my personal cell number, 856-693-8970. I want you to text me for my appointments. And I'll be honest, I have 2 kids at home, so I don't always answer my phone. So don't call me if I see a random number I'm not going to answer. So text me and I will respond to you right away with an appointment or availability, what we can do. And if those hours are not working for you, again, text me and be like, hey, Ruby, I cannot come until 2 o'clock. I have something. I need to get some service done at 12. Alrighty, if I'm available, believe me, I will be there for you.
Wow, that's amazing. So that the number again, people, is 856-693-8970. And ये जो next song है, ये है High Rated Gabru, right? तो इसका क्या reason है, Ruby?
When I heard that song, I actually did not like it. I'm like, I'm not a fan of. I shouldn't say I'm not a fan. I enjoy it. It's a good music. High beat, upbeat music. I enjoy it. But when I actually saw the video of the song and I saw Guru Randhawa, I'm like, oh my god, he's so cute. He got those dimples. He looks so cute. So that was pretty much the only thing I like that song. And I think more than that, it's the remix of the T-Series remix that him and Neha Kakkar did. Yes, I like that video. And Guru Randhawa and Neha Kakkar did. I like that mix. Wow.
Yeah. He's one of my favorite artists.
Yeah, I cannot look at him as a handsome guy looking. No, he's a cute guy. He's a cute.
I like his music.
I like his music. I like his voice. You know, it's something different. See, that's something that makes you want to move.
Definitely.
Yeah.
ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਲ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਲ
ਆ ਜਾਨੀ ਆ ਜਾ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਆ ਜਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਨੀ ਆ ਜਾ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਆ ਜਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ
ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ
बहुत मेलोडियस है गुरु रंधावा की वॉइस.
I love his voice. I love his songs.
That's true. And नेक्स्ट वीक, इससे पहले आज हमारा शो खत्म हो, मैं ज़रूर वापस से सबको याद दिला दूं, भूलिएगा मत, नेक्स्ट संडे है 6th International Day of Yoga, which is next Sunday, June 21st. It is Father's Day too, but then you can get together with your fathers and do some yoga from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. You can follow India and Houston on Facebook or India House Houston on Facebook, and उधर आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम दिख जाएगा, तो आप साथ में बैठिए. बाबा रामदेव जी भी खुद will be joining for the session, the live session from India. So take advantage of this opportunity and be a part of it, and you know, it's for your own health, so take part. It is yoga at home, yoga with family, and for further details visit yogadayofTexas.org, or they do have an event page, 6th International Day of Yoga Houston. So Ruby, before we go today, जो हमारा एक हमेशा tradition होता है, that we always leave on some positive words. वैसे तो आज आपने काफ़ी अच्छे पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स बोले हैं, लेकिन कोई आपके कोई भी फेवरेट कोट हो या कोई भी पॉजिटिव कुछ यू नो एक वो थॉट हो दैट यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर with all our viewers, or anything that has kind of made you think today or yesterday or from the week before that you would like to share?
There is a quote that I live by, and I tell that to myself every day, remind myself every day. I take the good with the bad, I smile with the sad, love what I got, and remember what I had. Always forgive, but never forget. Learn from your mistakes, but never regret. People change and things go wrong, but just remember that life goes on.
Wow, that was amazing. That's beautiful, beautiful. अगर आपको if you can send me that quote sometime.
I will. I have a book of quotes, so that's one of my favorite.
That was a beautiful quote. Thank you so much. And anything else you would like to add?
I want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to Namaste Radio. Thank you, Dolly D.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank
The
you.
best DJ over here, guys.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
So thank you guys. Thank you for having me on here. Thank you for the listeners and allowing me the opportunity to be on air, and for being a part of Classy Divas. Thank you for promoting our business. You guys have really helped me a lot, and I hope that we will continue once this whole pandemic thing ends. We will continue to grow our business together. So thanks for that, and I wish you best of luck in everything you do. Stay cool the way you are, and like in my terms, stay classy.
Stay classy. Oh wow, I like that. Absolutely. Thank you. मेरी तरफ से पहले दिन संदीप ज़रूर बताएंगे अपनी तरफ से भी. Thank you so much for coming today. बहुत मज़ा आया. We've met in the past, but it's always been about, oh, ये video कर लेते हैं, ये कर लेते हैं. But today it was like, chill, relax, आराम से बात कर रहे थे. So thank you, and I really wish you good luck for everything, for all your future endeavors, and of course, Namaste and Classy will always be together and grow together, like you said.
Yes, inshallah. Yes.
So thank you so much. And to all the listeners and viewers out there, stay positive. And आज मेरे लिए सबसे important बात है, again I would like to say is, अगर आपको लगता है किसी को आपसे बात करने की ज़रूरत है, तो 2 मिनट उसकी बात सुनिए और शायद उसकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत फ़र्क पड़ जाए. So take out that 2 minutes and give that 100% attention to that person. Maybe someone very close to you, maybe just a friend that who's calling you after 10 months, I don't know. So do not ignore these requests. Take that time out and reach out.
That's right. All I can say is just, life with the downs, with the ups, but no matter what, can't stop, won't stop. That's what the mindset should be every day. And just like we were discussing, just like Ruby always said, like, learn from your mistakes. It's all about the mind, right? So if your mind says, whatever your mind says, that's what your body's going to do.
It's you gotta do. You gotta tell your mind.
You gotta tell that.
Yes.
Exactly. So with that, just, no matter what, can't stop, won't stop. That's my thing. And thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
And you've always given me a lot of great support too. Everything I have, of course, with Namaste Radio also. Thank you so much for supporting us. And by the way, my nephew also said thank you, because I know you did call him a cutie.
Is a cutie.
Yeah, he also says thank you as well. And we hope to have you back very soon.
I hope we can be back.
And waiting for COVID to get done too, because I need the celebration too. Right?
Yeah. And thank you for the chocolates again.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you guys.
Anything
Thank
on
you everyone.
the-
Thank you the listeners.
The last song.
Yes.
What's the?
Nazar se nazar mili from the movie Mile Na Mile Hum.
Oh, this is for my husband.
Oh, आज तो भाई husband ही husband है.
This was our song when we walked down the aisle.
Oh,
together for
so
reception.
cute.
So I know it's a special song for him, so it's a very special song for us. It wasn't like regular Baharo Phool Barsa for everybody. We picked something different, and I know he
Yeah.
loves that song, so this was for
And
him.
it's sung by Rahat, right?
Yes, Nazar se nazar mile.
Rahat
Yes.
Fateh Ali Khan. Yes, I heard this song because of you, so I want to thank you. It's a beautiful song. I'm introduced to this song because of you.
No, it is a beautiful song, and I want to recommend. I want to, what do you call?
Suggest that to everybody.
Not suggest, dedicate this song to my husband.
Ooh,
So for his support all the time.
Wonderful.
Just know I love him. Yes.
Oh, so cute. तो ये सॉन्ग है रूबी की तरफ से आपके लिए. आप सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं. तो yes, and we'll end the day with this song. So
On that note,
namaste.
Namaste, everyone. We'll see you back next
Thank
week for Father's Day special.
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, जागे जागे कोई सोता है, बिन चाहे दिल खोता है, कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए.
पता, कब मौसम बदलेंगे किसको है ये पता। प्यार हो जाता है कैसे, जाने ना जाने ना जाने ना जाने ना दिल तेरा। नजर से नजर मिले, नजर से नजर मिले, तो देखेंगी आंखें सपना जो यूं कोई साथ चले, जो यूं कोई साथ चले, तो लगने लगेगा अपना। नजर से नजर मिले, नजर से नजर मिले, तो देखेंगे आंखें सपना जो यूं कोई साथ चले, जो यूं कोई साथ चले, तो लगने लगेगा अपना।
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, जागे जागे कोई सोता है, बिन चाहे दिल खोता है, कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए। बात जो पड़ेगी बात बात में, ख्वाब ही ख्वाब होंगे हर रात में। होगा जब प्यार तुझे, होगा ना करार तुझे, तू ये सोच ले।
अब अरमां मचलेंगे किसको है ये पता, कब मौसम बदलेंगे किसको है ये पता। प्यार हो जाता है कैसे, जाने ना जाने ना जाने ना जाने ना दिल तेरा।
नजर से नजर मिले, नजर से नजर मिले, तो देखेंगे आंखें सपना जो यूं कोई साथ चले, जो यूं कोई साथ चले, तो लगने लगेगा अपना।
आएगा वो पास के जो दूर है, मान जा के होना ये जरूर है। वो दिल तो दीवाना है, कब कहाँ माना है, तू ये सोच ले। अब अरमां मचलेंगे किसको है ये पता।
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM.